So I'm making bitter leaf soup for the first time and I'm so excited. I started off the day very calm and I really like that. No noise, no music. I've just been having my own personal quiet time and just reflecting and just going through life without noise. That's what I'm enjoying this morning. I'm enjoying life without noise. And I did my lashes. It's DIY lashes. I got this from, I think, Tonivia Makeup. Yeah, Tonivia Makeup on Instagram. And I've been enjoying it. I've actually had this lash clusters for like, I think 4 months. Yeah, so I think about 4 months. I've had it for about 4 months. So right now, I want to go ahead and shape my brows. I'm just doing like a mini beauty routine. I already did my lashes. They're just very minimal, very simple, nothing too serious, but it's so cute. I just elevated my look. Like, I'm looking so cute. And I want to loosen my hair and just do like all back so I can wear my wigs. So that's the vibe currently. That's the vibe currently. Okay. Like, sometimes don't look like your problems. Like, just take your time, and whenever you're in the mood to do like a little glow up or like a little beauty routine, I mean, just go ahead and do it. Take your time with it. Like, as I just did my lashes now, it has totally improved my mood. You know, when you look so pretty, you're also going to be so happy with how you look. I stopped doing my nails because my nails actually went through a lot the last time I did it. And I was doing acrylic back to back, so I think that's another issue that I faced. So right now I'm on a very long nail break. Like, my nails have literally been cutting off. But yeah, that's about it. I'm going to go loosen my hair. I'm just going to finish off my brows off camera. So I'm done with my beauty routine. This is just my lashes, my brows, and that's about it. So guys, I'm back and I've had such a very long day. I went to some places. I'm back. I couldn't even vlog because like it was just impromptu and all over the place. But either ways, I did groceries. So you know how we do it. Sometimes I just like to come on here and just show you guys random things that I got. So we're doing a quick grocery haul. Okay. So the first things on my list is foil. I got this because I wanted to make smoky jollof. We have serviettes. This huge Morning Fresh, and I got some liners for underwear, very good, jumbo size tissue. And I got this milk, so I'll just refill it in the tin. And I got a large salt, and I got poundo. We have crackers, digestives as usual, and I just saw this chocolate and I just added it because sometimes I'm like a sweet tooth. And then we have a bunch of these, some liquid milk, and then I have some drinks that my friends gave me. This is just Chivita. I have water, then I have Schweppes. Funny enough, I've never actually had this pineapple Schweppes before. My friends gave me this, so I'm looking forward to trying it. Yeah, then I have another one, malt. Malt is like my favorite soda. It's just always nice to take. I forgot to mention I did my hair too, but I just did normal all back. This is just like my maintenance hairstyle, just all back with this cute thing coming out here. Then I just always like to use this to just make the style it to be cuter. So that's what we have. Today is my sister's birthday and I'm just trying to finish up getting ready. I use this bending rollers but you know, I don't think these bending rollers even did anything. But either ways, This is what we look like. Ooh, okay, this one, I don't even think he did anything, to be honest. Every time I try to style this hair, the curler, I always do nonsense. So I tried to do it with bending rollers today, but it has only stayed on for like 3 hours, so I'm sure that's why the curls are not very defined. But either way, I'm just gonna brush out my hair right now and see what we're looking like. Okay, we're looking cute or whatever. You guys, this is that Z3 hair that I wore the other time. I wanted to actually upload the installation, but I didn't like what it was looking like, so I didn't even upload it anymore. But this is what we're looking like currently. Ooh, I look so cute. I look so cute. Had such a good time last night. It was difficult for them to bring me out, but it's always a fun experience at the end of the day. Like today is what? Friday. I think I might just end this vlog today because I'm already running low on space, and I'll just quickly edit this and upload it. But thank you guys for coming with me on this vlog. I love you guys so much, and have a great time. Until next time, see you on my next vlog.